Okay, YouTubers. So, I'm going to put in some oil. There we go. Okay, that should be enough there. There we go. Okay, I'm just pulling it a few times and stuff, trying to get the oil into the cylinder and stuff, so it doesn't start up dry or really dry. Okay, we'll put this aside. Now, for my final thing, I'm going to need to go ahead and take this carburetor apart and clean up the gas tank, clean up this part. And I'm just going to go ahead and wash it in this thing with some gasoline. I just like to do it simple, so I don't have to spend a bunch of money on cleaners and stuff. Can you see that? Yeah. Actually, this already has some gas in it, but this gas is really old. So I'll just put it in there. Yeah, this gas is old, so that's okay, but it'll still be a good cleaner. It'll still work as a good cleaner. So I'll just do it that way. Now, YouTubers, you're probably going to ask me, what am I going to do with the gas when I'm done with this? Well, either one or two things. One thing is I'll go ahead and put it in a recycling type of bottle, and I'll take it to the junkyard, and they usually have a place where they'll take dangerous liquids and stuff like that, gasoline, radiator fluid and stuff like that. They'll take it for free, or I just like to go ahead and put this old gas into my cleaner solution that I have, and just you know, and just use it as a cleaner. Even this gas is not very good anymore for being gas or anything. Still can be used as a cleaner. Okay. Here's the old diaphragm. And the diaphragm has this little spring and holder. I think this right here probably. Now what I'm doing here is I'm just pulling out the jet. Yeah, that's what I thought. Not very good shape there. Actually, the needle. O-ring right here. Probably have to get a new one. Then right in here is, here's the jet right here. There we go. Oh shoot. This seems to be all one piece and everything. I was hoping to go ahead and take it apart, but it doesn't look like it. What I want to do is I want to clean this gas tank down and everything because it's really yucky, you know. So anyway, YouTubers, I'm going to go ahead and end it here. Next time you'll see this is that you'll see it all put back together. I'm just going to put it back together, mount it, and then mount it back on a tiller. Then I'm going to go ahead and do through its first run, and then you'll see if it's running and stuff. Basically, I'm just going to clean this. I'm going to put this guy back together when all the parts are cleaned up. There's nothing. You're not going to miss a lot and everything. I'm just going to clean it, you know, with some bad gasoline stuff. Clean this up. This is really a bad part right here. So, YouTubers, I will go ahead and I will see you next time. Also, if you like this video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and please make a comment if you like. And I will see you next time. And I don't know if I said it before, but I should say it more. But you know, if the girls don't find you handsome, they can at least find you handy. All right, have a good day.